my name is Monica Bhosle. I am a fitness enthusiast and a fitness trainer. So today I want to talk about why somebody should not follow the shortcuts to achieve their fitness goals. Again, I'm going to go straight away to the point. That is a very wrong practice. If you want to stay healthy in your life and you choose some diet and starving and fasting and not eating proper meals and absolutely no workout, so I want to tell you from my personal experience that doesn't work. Our body is made in such a way it requires both nutrition and a workout. If you go back like in 100 years, you can imagine your great grandma, great grandpa, how much hard work they used to do, right? They used to be work in the fields, grandmas working in the kitchen, in the mills, and I mean they were constantly doing the hard work. They did not have these machines what we have today, so they were getting their work outdone that time. So it's not a new concept that we should do workout or we should do exercise. It's only because our health, our lifestyle is in such a way that we don't have much scope of doing workouts or exercise or heavy exercise with our job. So we have to take the time out from our routine and have to dedicate some time to our workouts. So to those who are watching this video, I would tell you that without workout, if you're just doing the diet and cutting off the calories, it's not going to work. You might lose some weight, but it is not going to make you healthy. So it's just being healthy doesn't mean you are lean. As we all know that you need muscles, you need bones, you need all the micronutrients, macronutrients to function this body. So when you are just taking the shortcuts, okay, I'm in this diet plan for a month, I will drop my weight by 10 kgs or 15 pounds, and you might be able to do that, but that's not going to give you the long-term results. So my friends, very important, you need to start exercise. There is absolutely no shortcut in this world, in the entire universe, for the human body that you can stay healthy without exercise. We have to do exercise. Either you do yoga, and in yoga also I would encourage you need to include strength so that you challenge your body. Your body is capable of much more than what you know. So my friends, please don't forget the exercise part of your healthy lifestyle. That is very important. And of course, especially to the women, that you need to start lifting weights. Weights are very important for the muscle generations, for our bones. So please don't ignore this fact. Imagine that our great grandma, she used to carry so much weight in her hands, like that kacha anaj and rice and everything. There was no car that time. They were just lifting and carrying them around. They were using those mills, the hand mills, to crush the wheat and get the atta out of it. They were doing all the household work without the machines. They were climbing stairs up and down, I don't know how many times in a day. So they were doing the workout with their chores or as a part of their job. But today's world has changed, and which is phenomenal. So we need to go with how the world is changing. If our technology, we are getting more technology advanced, it doesn't mean that it is meant for us to just sit on the couch and watch Netflix, right? We have plenty of material on the internet, on the YouTube. You can pick any workout. The simple workout is just do squats, lunges, a little bit of arms exercise. Just begin from somewhere, right? And if you are into yoga, I would strongly encourage you to do Surya Namaskar. There is no better exercise in yoga other than that. It's a full body exercise which challenges you. You can have the different variations of Surya Namaskars to challenge your body. So please, those who are watching my video, I would ask or I would request you, just not follow the diets. Please include exercise in your routine. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm going to come up with more content very soon. Take care. Bye bye. Eat healthy and exercise. Bye.